Tired of fighting bloody battles in super crowded markets? Then this is your guide to creating a brand new market all for yourself.
This guide's got 3 core levels. We're going to speedrun them right now.
Okay, level 1, map out the battlefield with the strategy canvas. It shows you where everyone else is investing, revealing that crowded red ocean. The whole point? Stop fighting head-on. It's time to find a new game. All right, level 2, rebuild the market boundaries to find your blue ocean. You'll find new paths just by challenging what everyone else takes for granted. They didn't just beat other circuses, they were beating restaurants and bars.
And level 3, you gotta focus on the big picture, not just the numbers.
Actually seeing your strategy mapped out like this, it's a huge wake-up call. When your strategy looks totally different, that's it, you've found a blue ocean. But how do you actually make this radical shift happen? Time for the cheat code. It's called tipping point leadership. It's how you make massive change happen fast. This helps you smash right through the 4 big roadblocks that kill most new ideas. By focusing on just the key points of influence, you can knock down these barriers. And there you have it, speedrun complete. Now, let's collect your reward. You can find the full in-depth walkthrough and the PDF right in the description. Now go out there and make the competition totally irrelevant.